Hello guys, welcome to your channel which is SciEngineers. We have been uploading videos for your engineering entrance exam preparation. So in this video we'll be talking about the topic of Conics. So those who are new to the channel, we would like to tell them about the playlist which we have for the Mhtcet mathematics section and also for the physics section. Keep the videos coming, do like our videos, do share our videos and do subscribe to our channel. To never miss a notification from our channel, please do hit the bell icon. So keep learning, keep watching and happy learning and stay safe. So let's get going with today's topic. So we had asked these two questions in the earlier video of differential equation. So let's see the solution for this one. So we have the differential equation which is given in this format, that is 3xy plus y square dx plus x square plus xy dy. Now you can see it is not of the variable separable form. Also, it is going to be difficult to bring it into the linear differential equation form. But what you can observe is that the degree of each and every term, this term is basically equal. That is, every term is having the degree 2. So it's obviously of the form of homogeneous equation. So whenever you have an homogeneous differential equation, the solution for that always starts with the substitution, that is y is equal to vx. So if I'm doing y is equal to vx, I need to have the dy by dx also, that is differentiating this with respect to x. So you can remember what it is. It is always going to be v plus x dv by dx. Basically we are using the UV rule over here. So now let us find what is dy by dx in this. So let's take the dy by dx term on one side and the rest of it on the other side. So I'll be getting this as dy by dx is equal to minus 3xy plus y square upon x square plus xy. Now let us just substitute the value in it. So dy by dx is nothing but this thing, that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to, substituting in this, we can see that this becomes x into y which is vx. So that is going to be nothing but minus 3vx square. In this also we'll be getting v square x square. Below also we'll be getting x square plus vx square. So you can see x square we can take common and that gets cancelled out. So this becomes minus 3 v plus v square upon 1 plus v. After this what we can do is we can take this v on the other side. So this becomes minus v, and now let us find the LCM or just cross multiply. So I'll be getting dv by dx with the x is equal to, taking the minus common, and I will be getting this as 3v plus v square plus v plus v square upon 1 plus v. So now just rearranging the terms, I'll be getting this as v plus 1 upon 4v square, 2v square plus 4v is equal to dx by x. Now you can see that this term, along with the dv, now this term you can see it is to be solved in the partial fraction format. So that partial fraction I can write it as v plus 1 upon 2v into v plus 2 is equal to a upon v plus b upon v plus 2. Now from this I need to find a. So if you find a, it's going to be 1 by 4, and if you find b, it is also going to be 1 by 4. We have already discussed this particular in the earlier video. So I'll be getting this as 1 by 4v plus 1 by 4v plus 2. So 1 by 4 common. In this case I will be getting 1 by v in this place plus 1 by v plus 2 in this place dv. So I'll be integrating on both sides. So I'll be getting this as integration of dv upon v plus dv integration of dv upon v plus 2 is equal to, it's with a minus sign, so minus integration dx by x, plus we will be having a c term also. So let's take that term as log c, because you can see it is nothing but log which is present. So I'll be getting the 4 going on that side. So this is going to be log v into v plus 2, because we are using the log property, is equal to minus 4 log x plus log c. So now we have to substitute what is v in this. So v, we know it is y by x. So substituting that, and this is going to be nothing but raised to minus 4, and we can take it on the other side. So it's going to be substituting v as y by x. So this becomes y by x into y by x plus 2, and we will be having this term going on the other side, and it will be multiplied by x raised to 4 is equal to c. So the LCM is, this is going to be 2x, and the x gets cancelled. So I'll be landing with the term of y into y plus 2x into x square is equal to c. So as you can see, it's nothing but option A. Because even if they have given this as c square, we know that c is basically any constant and it can be written in any format, provided it is only multiplied or divided by a constant term. So going to the next one, they have said that the slope of the tangent at x comma y at this particular point is given by this. Then what is the equation of the curve? So we know that slope of the tangent is dy by dx is y by x minus cos square y by x. So again you can see it is of the form of your homogeneous equation. So we need to substitute y is equal to vx. So again using the same thing, so I'll be getting this as v plus x dv by dx instead of dy by dx is equal to v minus cos square v. So the v gets cancelled out, and now it is of the variable separable form. So I'll be having the integration of sec square v dv minus 1 by x dx. So I know that the integration of sec square is tan v, and v is nothing but y by x. After that this becomes minus log x, and we have a plus c over here. Now since they have given the value that is 1 comma pi by 4, that means they are asking you a particular solution for this equation. So if I substitute x as 1 and y as pi by 4, I'll be getting this as tan pi by 4, which is 1, and log 1, which is 0. So I'll be getting c as 1. Now the c is basically equal to 1. So that becomes tan y by x is equal to minus log x plus 1. And this 1, I can write it as log e. So this becomes log e by x using the property of log, and the tan goes that side, which becomes inverse. So y becomes x tan inverse of log of e by x. So you can see that's nothing but your option B. That's nothing but option C. So the first question is talking about a circle which is having x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 as its tangent, and x minus y is equal to 0 is the diameter. So now if you observe these two lines, you can see that the slope of these two lines is same. So basically these two lines, that is if I draw it, its circle and the tangents are in this fashion. So if I find the distance between these two tangents, I basically get the diameter of it. So if I just find the distance between them using the formula, which is nothing but c1 minus c2 upon root of a square minus a square plus b square, and taking the mod of it. So c1 minus c2 is nothing but c1 is minus 2 and c2 is plus 2. So if I do minus 2 minus 2, so that becomes minus 4, and a square, a and b is nothing but the coefficients, which is 1 and minus 1. So if I just substitute the values, I'll be getting this as 4 by root 2. So we'll be getting this value as 4 by root 2, which is nothing but 2 root 2. So this is nothing but the diameter, because this is the distance between these two lines. So the radius is equal to root 2. So we are getting the radius as root 2. Now the next information is that the diameter is x minus y is equal to 0. So it's basically the diameter is nothing but it is going to be passing through the center. Now if you just observe the options which are given in this, you need to find the equation which is having the radius of the circle as root 2. So you can see from this equation you are having the radius as root 2, and also along with that what you can see is that the diameter is going to be x minus y is equal to 0. If you see the center of this particular circle is nothing but 0 comma 0, which satisfies this equation. So that is why this is going to be the right option. If you see the center of any other circle, it's not going to be satisfying this equation. Going to the next one, we have the equation of a tangent to the circle which is given to us, and it is parallel to this particular equation of line. And this is the equation which is the tangent equation. I need to find what is the value of k in that case. Now again we'll be using the concept of basically distance formula, because I need to find the distance of this with the center of the circle, and that will be equal to the radius of the circle. So from here we can find that the center of the circle is nothing but 1 comma minus 3. So we are getting the center of the circle as 1 comma minus 3, and from there we can get the radius. So radius is equal to, it is root of 1 square plus 3 square and plus 6. So that is nothing but 16. So we are getting the radius as 4. After this we need to find the distance of this line with the center. So using the distance formula, we'll be just substituting the values of x and y in this. So it becomes 3 plus 12 and plus k divided by mod of 3 square plus 4 square. So that is nothing but 9 plus 16, which is 25. So root 25, and this is equal to the radius, which is 4. So this becomes 5 goes there, and I will be getting this equation as 5 plus 15, that is mod of this is equal to 20. Now how to solve the mod? Basically what you need to do is you need to take one value as positive and the next value as negative. So if I solve this, I'll be getting k as 5, and if I solve this, I'll be getting k as minus 35. So that's nothing but your option. Moving on to the next one, we have one of the diameter of the circle is going to be what? So we need to find the equation of the line which is going to be diameter of the circle. So using the concept of basically finding the center of this particular circle, so you can see that the center is going to be nothing but 6 comma minus 2. So I need to find the equation which is going to be satisfying this. That's simple as it. So you can see that x plus 3y, if I substitute x as 6 and y as minus 2, I'll be getting it is satisfying this equation. If you check for others, it's not going to be satisfying any of this particular point. So that means B is the option. Moving on to the next one, we have the directrix of the parabola. So equation of the directrix we need to find. This is the parabola's equation. So whenever you are having this particular type of parabola, what you need to do is you need to convert and compare it with the standard equation which is there for the parabola. So the standard equation of parabola is given by y minus k the whole square is equal to 4p into x minus h. So we'll bring it down in this particular format. So I'll be getting this as y square is equal to, if I take the minus 4 common, basically this is going to be minus 4x and minus 3. I'm taking the minus 4 common. It becomes x plus 3 by 4. So if you compare with the above equation, what you're getting is that p is equal to minus 1. You're getting h is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now when you're getting this particular thing, and also you're getting that k is equal to 0, the equation of the directrix is given by h minus p. So h is nothing but minus 3 by 4 and p is your minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. So you're getting x is equal to 1 by 4, and that's why your equation is D, that is x minus 1 by 4 is 0. Moving on to the next one, we have the distance between the foci and the distance between the directrix of the hyperbola. which is given in the ratio 3:2. I need to find the ratio of A:B. So for that we need to find what is the distance between the foci. The distance between the foci is given by the formula, which is 2 root of A square plus B square. So that's the distance between the foci. And we need to find what is the distance between the directrix. So distance between the directrix is given by 2A square by root of A square plus B square. This thing is equal to 3 by 2. So if we can just remove the 2, that is divide the 2, and we'll be getting this as A square plus B square upon A square is 3 by 2. So this A square upon A square becomes 1, that is B square plus B square upon A square is equal to 3 by 2. So B square upon A square becomes half. Taking the square root on both sides, this becomes 1 by root 2. So A by B is nothing but root 2 by 1. So that is your option A. So for the practice purpose, these are the 2 questions for this particular video. The solution for this will be posted in the next upcoming videos. Do write in the comment section what you feel the answer for this particular question should be. Just mention the options which are. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Do let us know in the comment section how do you find these videos, whether it is helping you in the preparation or not. Also do write in the comment section what more videos or content you would like us to upload on our channel so that it helps you in your preparation. So do like our videos, do subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell icon which is just beside the subscribe button. Do share our videos with your friends so that it helps them also in their preparation. So do keep watching our videos, do keep learning from them, and happy learning while you're doing so. Stay safe in the current situation. So this is Sushant signing off for today. So bye.